Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Citizen Eco Drive watch. In this video review, I'll be going over the functions and features of the watch and showing you a few of the awesome complications about the watch. Let's get right to it. First and foremost, it has an absolutely beautiful design. When you look at the bracelet portion and you look at the face of the watch, it looks relatively simple, but there is so much to this watch that it's absolutely unbelievable. I love the look of it. Now, one other thing that I like about the look is that there's this additional crown over here, and you can actually rotate this crown and it will rotate the outer edge of the watch. So check this out. I'm rotating the crown and it's rotating that outer edge of the watch, which is a really cool feature because oftentimes you would see these three, the crown and the two buttons over here on the right side of the watch, but not really on the left side. But as you can see, it's an absolutely awesome feature. Now, in addition to the awesome look of the watch, it also feels great when you put it on. I'm going to just put it on so I can show you. It has a nice clasp right there as well. It's super comfortable. And the stainless steel design of the watch also means that you are going to get a durable watch that is going to last you a long time. And I also love the coloring of this watch. I have a handful of black watches and I feel like they go with everything. You can literally wear this watch in any situation and it's going to look great. And not only is it going to look great, but it's going to function really well as well. So I'm going to show you that, number one, there's a lot of stuff going on within the watch. This watch is jam-packed with features. Now, I just want to show you a few of the cool features. I'm going to pull the crown out one notch right here. So just pull it out once. So I pulled it out once, and when you rotate it, you can see it will actually change the time zones. So right now you can see it's set to New York City. I'm just going to rotate it just like that. And when you rotate it, it can actually change the time zone that you have set. So I'll rotate it again just to show you. Look at that. Just as you can see right there, it's actually changing the time based on the time zone. It's actually a really cool feature. So I'm actually just going to rotate it back, bring it back to New York City. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the crown out one additional time. So now I've pulled the crown out once, I'm going to pull the crown out again. And right now, the second hand, as you can see, goes to the off. Now, this is for daylight savings time, okay? Anyone that has an analog watch knows that, especially if you have a lot of analog watches, when it's daylight savings time, you're going to have to adjust all of your watches, and you have to reset the time. But with this, it's as simple as pulling the crown out to that position and pressing the button. And as you can see, it now changes to on. There's something that says on right there, okay? I can click it again. And it changes to off and it adjusts the time, which is absolutely awesome. So if you own a lot of watches, you will know that any time that the month changes from having 31 days to having 30 days or any other number, you have to adjust all of your watches that display the number. And also when you have daylight savings time, you have to adjust all your watches. And it's tedious. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's nothing to complain about, but it is tedious. But this is so easy. They make it so easy to operate. It's absolutely amazing. Now, those are just a few of the features, and I wanted to keep this review relatively short, sweet, and simple. But there are literally tons of features that are packed within this watch. So I just wanted to go over a few of them in this video review with you and tell you about my opinion on the way that the watch looks and the way that the watch functions. It's an absolutely awesome watch, and I just wanted to go over the features and functions of this Citizen Eco Drive watch in this video review with you. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.